ngathi ngiyabezwa bethi into zabantu.
I can hear them saying it's witchcraft.
Athi Sarai akusinto zabantu.
Christ saying, no, it's not witchcraft.
Ngathi ngiyambona udoctor elanda le nto yakhe ni bayibizani konje
I can
mama
see
le
the
nto
doctor
le.
going
Le
to
nto yabo
fetch.
doctor le hamba la. Khona le nto bayifaka bathi
Stethoscope.
yona leyo.
That one.
Ngathi ngiyambona udoctor eyenza le nto engathembi kahle.
I can see the doctor doing it
Aqala
not certain.
ayotshela abanye nginenkinga ngale.
And then he starts saying, I have a problem on the
Kunogogo
other
ufikile
side.
lapha.
There's a granny that came here.
Uthi uzizwa ngathi khona into ekhahlelayo.
Says he can feel something kicking inside of her.
Udoctor thathe le mshini
And
yakhe.
the doctor brought the stethoscope.
Nakathi uyabheka lapha ya.
And then when he actually looked on the
Akubone lapha
machines,
Isaac athi lapha.
and then he saw Isaac on the hologram.
Athi kokusala ngikutshelile.
And he says, surely I told you.
Ene umfana.
And it is a boy on top of that.
Igama lakhe Isaac.
And his name will be called Isaac.
But okay gogo phela isimo kuso.
And he said, but granny, your condition,
Sekuzofanele ukuthi uze la at least gogo twice a week.
at least you must come here twice weekly.
Ngoba lento iyenzakalayo ijwayelekanga
Because
gogo.
what you are doing is unconventional.
Very risky.
Loko kuyingozi kakhulu.
Risky kuphi ngoba yenziwe uNkulunkulu.
How is it risky if God has done
Ukhokho
it?
Sara uvukele eclinic Monday.
So Granny Sarah wakes up to the clinic.
Nakafika lapha ahlala ebhenchini.
As he goes there and sits on the bench.
Thola ukuthi bonke bayang.
And those are the young people.
Omdala phakathi kwabo una 40.
The eldest among them is 40 years old.
Nogogo naye ufolile.
And Granny is also there on the line.
Ngathi ngiyababona bembuza gogo.
I'm sure they're asking him, they say, Granny,
Ugogo ubamba uline oright nje
is
kodwa.
Granny on the right line? Or
Ngoba phela lo line esubambile la gogo.
because this line here, Granny,
Wabantu abayithwele.
is for people who are pregnant.
Athi gogo hayi ngubambe right
Say,
mntanami
I
yiyo
sure
line
you I'm in the right
engiwufunayo.
line. That's also the one I want.
Bahlebelane bodwa hayi
And they
ugogo
start
ngathi
gossiping among
akasayibambi kahle
themselves. And they say,
ziyashiyana.
maybe the cocker has lost his mind.
Kanti uNkulunkulu ufuna ukwenza into ehlule ingqondo
God
yabantu.
wants to do something beyond
Yebazalwana
the human
kunandaba
comprehension.
isikhathi singahamba
How
kangakanani.
much time can bypass?
Kodwa uNkulunkulu ophila ephethe
our
isikhathi
living God
esandleni
can look in his
sakhe.
hand. He's got it in his
Usengazenza izinto
He can
zenzeke.
still make things happen.
Namhlanje bengizothi themba
So today I want to say, trust in
uNkulunkulu.
God.
Yekela ukuthemba abantu.
Stop trusting in man.
Yekela ukubheka isimo.
Stop looking at your circumstances.
Yekela ukuzethemba
Stop
wena.
trusting in your own strength.
Themba
Trust the
wasezulwini.
one who is in heaven.
Elithi iBhayibheli noma indlela
The
ingekho.
Bible says there's no way.
Bazalwane kunekhathi.
There are certain times, brethren.
Kunekhathi la indlela iyaye
There's
ingabi
certain
bikho
times when
khona.
there's no way.
Abantu abahamba ngemoto bayazi lento.
People know this who drive cars.
Unokuhamba ngendlela ne?
As you are driving on
Ibe
the road,
yinhle indlela.
the road looks good.
Uhamba.
You drive, you drive, you drive.
Uthi na ufika somewhere.
And then when you arrive at a certain point,
Kube ne sign
there's a specific sign.
ethi dead end.
Ethi naga usakwazi ukuqhubekela phambili.
Kusho ukuthi ithi le sign
In other words, it's saying,
you can't turn left,
awukwazi ukujikela ngapha,
you can't turn right.
awukwazi ukujikela esandleni
You
sokudla.
must go back.
Funa ukubuyela emuva.
Usounda ngathi ulahlekile.
They say it feels like you are lost.
Ungena endleleni ephelela
You have gone in a dead end
endaweni engekho ndawo.
where you will go nowhere.
Ngesikhathi ufika lapho
When you arrive at that point,
la khona ibhodi
when
ibhaliwe
the board gives you the
ithi
sign,
dead end.
ithi indawo
Bese
esaqhubekela phambili.
uphakamisela amehlo akho
Then you
entabeni.
look into the mountain.
Uthi usizo lwami
Know
luvelaphi?
where my help cometh
Sizo
from.
lwami luvela
My help
kuJehova.
cometh from the Lord.
Bese uyambuza ukuthi uthini na
Then you
kunje.
ask them, what do you say about
Ama-advise
this
wabantu athi ngibuyele emuva.
circumstance? They say I should go back.
Bese yena athi thatha istep esiyi-1
Then he
esiya
says,
phambili.
take one step ahead of you.
Uma usithatha istep esiyi-1
And
siya
as you
phambili,
take one step ahead of you,
indlela ikhandeke phansi kwey'nyawo
and then
zakho.
there's a way that happens. when
Uphinde
you
uthathe
take
esinye indlela ikhandeke
and as
phansi
you take it,
kwey'nyawo.
there's another way that happens.
Uphinde
as
uthathe
you walk.
esinye
And
indlela
as you take
ikhandeke
another,
phansi
then another way
kwey'nyawo.
is made.
Uma uthi uyayibheka nawe uyibona
And then
indlela,
as you wait, you don't see
kodwa
the
iba
way.
khona as you walk.
By the moham, by yes,
As you walk indlela iba khona.
moham, by the way.
Yingakho
That's why
nasewudlulile
when you pass by,
ayikho.
there is no way.
Ayikho.
There is no way.
ila uhamba khona kuphela.
It's where you are walking.
Umuntu
Only.
okubhekile akakuboni ukuthi uhamba.
Someone who sees you doesn't know where you're
Nalo
going.
okubona emuva aka-understand
And the one
ukuthi
who sees
uhamba.
behind you doesn't understand where you are walking.
Yingakho bazalwane uThixo nomthemba.
This is why when you trust the Lord, brethren,
Uzokwenza lento eyenzeka uma ewelisa uIsrael ulwandle olubomvu.
that thing when he was making Israel
Elithi
pass the Red
iBhayibheli
Sea,
abaseGibhite
the Bible says the Egyptians,
bazama ukuyikopisha lento.
they trying to copy the same
Bebona
thing.
amanzi eme ngapha
They
nangapha.
saw water standing on this side and on that
Cabange
side.
kahle lento le.
Think about this, brethren.
Amanzi
Water
asolwandle.
in the ocean.
Solwandle ludeep.
So the ocean is deep.
So uNkulunkulu
But God,
walivula ulwandle.
He opened up the sea.
Amanzi avele avuleka athi.
And then the water opened up.
So uma evuleka amanzi
So as the water opened,
kuba negap phakathi nendawo.
there was a gap in between.
Ngapha
On this side,
azimela ngathi kunebonde
they
lwavimbayo.
stood like it was a wall.
Nangapha
And likewise on the other
azimela
side,
ngathi kunebonde
they
lwavimbayo.
stood like a wall.
Ngathi ngiyababona bewela.
So I can see them going past.
Bebona amashak
They're looking at the sharks
eswima phakathi kwamanzi.
swimming in their midst.
Kodwa uma efika la amanzi ephela
But
khona
when they went to the end
kube
of the
ngathi
water,
ashayisa ubonda.
and when they hit the wall,
Ajika abuyele
and
emuva.
then they went back,
Ngoba kunepresence kaNkulunkulu.
God
uNkulunkulu uhamba nebandla lakhe.
is walking with his church.
Kuthiwa abaseGibhite bayibona
But
lento.
those in Egypt saw this,
Bacabanga ukuthi
thought
bangayilingisela.
they can imitate
That
it.
is why uFaro
That's why
ney'nqola
Pharaoh
zakhe
and his chariots,
bafelelwana.
they died by the
Bezama
Red Sea.
ukulingisela amakholwa.
Trying to imitate
Lalela
the
mntana kaNkulunkulu.
Listen, brethren,
Awudingi ukulingisela
you don't
abantu.
need to imitate
Uma
others.
ngabe indlela ingasekho,
Because there's no way.
kuza umnikazi wendlela.
There's no owner of the way.
Kuza lo othe uyayenza indlela.
He makes the way.
Enza indlela for
He
wena.
makes the way for you.
Unyaka sewuyophela.
A year is coming to an end.
Asengayenza indlela noma unyaka sewuyophela. Usengayenza indlela noma unyaka sewuyophela. Usengayivula iminyango noma unyaka sewuyophela. Ngoba okungenzeki kubantu kuye kuyenzeka. Namhlanje bengizothi themba uNkulunkulu.
Trust in God, brethren.
Mthembe noma unga-understand.
Trust him even when you don't understand it.
Ngoba nakuthiwa uyamthemba kusho ukuthi fanele u-understand.
Because even if you trust him, doesn't mean you must comprehend
Uyamthemba ngoba
it.
uthembekile.
So you trust him because he's faithful.
Hayi ukuthi umthemba ngoba umbona ukuthi
Not to trust
uzokwenzani.
him because you know what he's going to do.
Bazalwane njalo uNkulunkulu.
Brethren, always God,
Uma ngabe uphakathi we-challenge,
if you are in the midst of a challenge,
ungayicalculathela ngengqondo yakho.
you can do your own
Uthi hayi
calculations
mhlawumbe
mentally
uzokwenza lokhu.
and say, perhaps you will
Hayi
do
mhlawumbe
this,
uzokwenza
perhaps
lokhu.
you will do that.
Avele la
And then
ungamcabanganga
you
khona.
come into a spot where you didn't
Enza into
recognize
angakaze
it. And he
ayenze.
starts to do something
Iqala
unconventional.
ukwenzeka ngempilo
The
yakho.
first time it happens through your
Ngoba
life.
yena akaxakekile.
Because here he is not
Indlela
struggling.
zakhe iphakeme.
His ways are higher than our
Nemicabango
ways.
yakhe
And his
iphakeme.
deeds are higher than our
Ingakho
deeds.
bazalwane
That's why,
namhlanje
brethren, today,
ake ubalwe nabantu
may you be counted amongst the people
abampofe
who are
emoyeni.
poor in spirit.
Abantu abampofe
People who
emoyeni
are poor in spirit.
bayayidecide.
Bayayinqumela
Umuntu
bona.
anquma athi mina
He decides that me, myself,
zothemba uNkulunkulu.
I'm going to trust in God.
Ingakho ngeke ngihambe ngitshela abantu
That's why
iy'nkinga
I'm not going
zami.
to tell people my problems.
Ngeke ngihambe ngicela abantu ukuthi
I'm not going to
bangisize.
ask people to help
Uma
me.
ngiphakathi kwe-challenge
Even when
ngizophakamisa
I'm in the midst of
amehlo
a challenge, I will lift up
ngitshelele
my eyes
wasezulwini.
and tell the one who's in heaven.
Kungcono
It is
bazalwane
better, brethren,
ukuthi uthole usizo
find help
uNkulunkulu ethinta abantu
while God is moving people
kunokuthi wena uyithintele
than
abantu.
for you to touch people yourself.
Ngoba uma bekusizile bazokubalisela.
Because when they help you, they're going to count you
Kodwa umuntu othintwa
accountable.
uNkulunkulu
But if God is involved,
uvela njengengolosi uGabriel.
it's like him moving Gabriel, the
Ungambona
angel.
ngayi-one ungaphindi
And you
umbone.
see him once and you never see
Kodwa
him
uhlangane
again.
naye impilo yakho bese iyashintsha.
But you meet him and your whole
Ngoba
life is
uthembe
transformed
uNkulunkulu.
because you trust in God.
Namhlanje ngizomemezela.
So tonight I want to announce,
Yekela ukuthemba abantu.
stop trusting in man.
Yekela ngisho ukuzethemba wena.
Stop even trusting yourself.
Ubusisiwe umuntu
Blessed is the man
othemba kuJehova.
whose trust is in the Lord
Nothemba lakhe
and whose
linguJehova.
hope is in the Lord.
Kusho ukuthi uyamethemba ngezimo
That means you trust him in
uphinde
circumstances
uthemba ubuNkulunkulu
and you
bakhe.
trust his lordship.
kuthiwa ngokuba uyawuba njengomuthi otshaliwe
Because he will be like a tree planted
nasemanzini.
by the waters.
Abantu abathemba uNkulunkulu
People who trust God,
abambashi
they
bazalwane.
don't get ruined, brethren.
Ngithi abantu abathemba
I'm
uNkulunkulu
saying the people who trust God,
ababuniswa
they
izimo.
don't get ruined because of
Kuthiwa
situations.
ozenabisa izimpande zawo
He will
ngasemfuleni.
spread out their roots by the
Kusho ukuthi
river.
lo muntu lona bazalwane
That means this person, brethren,
akadiphende emanzini emvula.
he doesn't trust on the rain.
Uphuze emfihlakalweni.
He goes and drinks in the mystery.
Ingakho kungashisa
That's
ngaphandle.
why it can be hot
Kodwa wena
outside,
umthole green lo
but you
muntu.
find this person
Ngoba
fruitful.
uncela from within.
Because uncela
Uncela
ngaphakathi
from
emfihlakaleni.
underground.
Uncela from emfihlakalweni.
Iy'mpande zalesihlahla zingene ngaphansi
His
komhlabathi.
roots are entrenched
Donsa
underground.
amanzi
He's
emfuleni.
gathering water from the
Kodwa
river.
imvula ayini.
Why?
Imvula ayikho.
There's no rain.
Ezinye ihlahla ezingekho eduze komfula
Other trees not by the river,
zomile,
they have ruined
zi-dry,
and they've dried up
azitheli.
and they're not bearing fruit.
Lesi siyathela.
But this one is bearing fruit.
Winter and summer siyathela.
Emini nasebusuku
Akunandaba
liyathela.
kushisa kangakanani kodwa
Regardless of
siyathela.
how hot it is, it keeps bearing fruit.
Sitheliswa ukuthi
Why is it bearing fruit?
sidla from emfuleni.
Because it's receiving from the
Kuthiwa
river.
lo muntu othemba uJehova
Saying a person who trusts in the Lord
uyoba njengomuthi otshalwe
will be a
ngasemanzini.
tree planted by the waters.
Ngoba uyanabisa iy'mpande zawo
Because he spreads
ngasemfuleni.
out his roots by the river.
Kuthiwa ongesabi lapho kufika
You will not
ukushisa.
fear where heat comes.
Awusabi ukushisa kwempilo uma
You are
kufika.
not scared when the heat
Ngoba
comes.
ikhona izimo ezishisayo
Because there are
bazalwane.
some hot
Ngithi
situations,
ikhona
brethren.
izimo
There are some
ezishisayo
seriously hot situations,
ezenza abantu
brethren,
babune
that makes
bambashe.
people wither
Kodwa
and wither
uThixo ngeke
away.
avume na
But
umethemba.
God will not allow when you trust in Him.
Kuthiwa amaqabunga awo
And
abe
He says
luhlaza.
His leaf will be green.
Ugreen ngisho ngaphandle.
Green even outside.
Kuthiwa angabi naluvalo ngonyaka wesigagada.
And He will not be anxious in the year of drought.
Kusho ukuthi nakunganamvula
Meaning when there is a drought
kukhalwa ngapha nangapha.
and people are crying left side and
Kuthiwa
right,
amanzi awekho.
and there's no water and rain,
Yena ayicomplain.
yeah, He will not complain.
Lo hlobo lomzalwane.
This is the type of a
Ngeke
brethren.
umuzwe khala
You
nabakhalayo.
will not hear Him crying
Ah,
with the
phela
cries
kuyabheda eSouth Africa
and
uyazi.
saying things are tough in the
Phela
country
imisebenzi ayisekho
and people are
imisebenzi.
not being employed.
Labantu abathemba uJehova
But people who trust in God,
abakhali nabantu abakhala
they
ngokuthi
don't
umsebenzi
cry with
ayikho.
those who are crying with
Ngoba
unemployment.
labantu abathemba
Because
uJehova
those who trust in God,
bayazi ukuthi nakuvule
they
yena
know that if God
akekho
opens up,
ongavala.
no one will shut.
Bayazi ukuthi bathembe
Knowing
kuye.
that they're trusting in Him,
Abaphili
they
ngamasalari.
don't live in salaries,
Baphila ngomusa
but they
kaNkulunkulu.
live by the grace of God.
So izinto ezikhalisa abantu
So the things that make people cry
masingakukhalisi
should not
wena.
make you cry.
Ngamanye amazwi
other
akathi
words,
uNkulunkulu
God is saying,
lesihlahla lesi uzosithutha.
this tree is going to relocate it
Ayositshala endaweni la kunganasomiso khona.
and plant it where there's no drought.
Uthi uzosiyeka la kune drought.
He says, no, we'll leave it where there's a drought.
Kusho ukuthi uzosiyeka esimweni esinzima.
That means we will leave it in a harsh circumstance.
Kodwa abantu bazothi mabasibheka
But when people see it,
bathi kanjani?
they say, how come is this?
Hayi man kanjani man?
How come is this?
Siyabazi abantu abadlule kulezi
We know
simo
people who've
lesi.
went through this situation.
Lona kwenza kanjani ukuthi abe different?
How come is this person different?
Kanti wena uphuzi phezulu.
But you're not drinking from up there.
Uphuza phansi komhlaba.
You are drinking from underground.
Impande zakho zilanda amanzi
Your roots
emfuleni.
are drinking from the riverside.
So kuthiwa uyikusaba.
That means you will be afraid.
Ngeke ube novalo.
That means you will not be anxious
Uma unyaka unganawo amanzi.
in the year of drought.
Kuthiwa namaqabunga.
And he was leaf.
Kuthiwa anganqamuki ukuthela.
He will not stop yielding fruit.
Awunqamuki nokuthela.
You will not cease from yielding fruit.
Abantu abathemba uNkulunkulu
Those who trust in the Lord,
ba fruitful.
bayathela.
Abekho fruitful in season.
Hayi ukuthi bathela nje ngesikhathi.
Ba fruitful in and out of season.
Bathela noma isimo sivuma noma singavumi.
Yingakho uma ungafunda incwadi yesambulo
That's why when you read the book of
chapter 22
Revelations, in chapter 22,
kuthiwa kunesihlahla lapha
they say there's a tree there
esikhipha iy'thelo zaso
that brings out its fruit
inyanga nenyanga,
season after season.
hayi season nesizini, kuthiwa inyanga nenyanga.
Month after month. And
So
year
ma uya
after
kule
year.
nyanga uthola kuney'thelo.
So every year and
Fika
month you
next
find
month
there's a tree.
kuney'thelo.
You will find fruit
fika
there.
naleya nyanga kuneyithelo
Every month you find
ngoba
fruit there.
isihlahla esidla emazulwini
So it's a tree that
nawe
eats from the heavens.
uzofuza lesihlahla
So you will also be
ma
like this tree.
ungathemba uNkulunkulu
If you trust in
uyoba
God,
fruitful nala abanye bengakhona ukusurvive khona
uzotela where people
ube
can't survive.
izimo ezibuhlungu
Even in hard
wena
situations.
kuwe kuyoba
But
ama-opportunity
you, kuzoba amathuba
ingaka
okuthi wenze.
bamthembayo ujehova
Those why those who trust in God,
abasabi izimo
they
ezinzima
don't fear hard situations.
uma liqeda ivesi
When the verse finishes,
maliqeda ivesi bese lithi inhliziyo
and says the heart
iyakhohlisa
is deceitful
ngaphezu kwako konke
above everything else,
futhi imbi
and it is desperately
ubani
wicked.
ongayazi
Who can know it?
yazi lisho ukuthini
Do you know what this means?
lisho ukuthi labantu nje babe babili
It means since these are two people,
omunye themba ujehova
one trusting God,
omunye engathemba ujehova
one not trusting,
it's a condition of the heart
shuthi leni simo senhliziyo.
njengoba sonke sineyinhliziyo la endlini
Since we all possess hearts,
mangabe namhlanje uphuma ungamthembi uNkulunkulu